here at Off Leash Canine Cincinnati. I have Bear joining me, brand new to our 1-week board and train family here. We're gonna work on some of his barking and reactivity to a few other animals, as well as just some basic obedience and house manners. So let's see what Bear understands so far. Bear, come. Bear, come. Bear, come. Good boy, Bear, sit. Good boy, Bear, good boy. Good boy, Bear, can you place? Bear, place. Bear, place. Bear, place. All right, so we will definitely work on some of that behavior, the barking for sure, and then we will touch on the place and come and sit and make sure that he's just a little well-rounded and more well-behaved for mom and dad. Come back in about a week and see what he can do then. Bear, come. Good boy. Bear, sit. Good boy. Good boy.
Bear,
Bear,
sit.
break. Break. Good boy. Oh, yeah, you wanted to jump and you tried. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, yes, Josh. Good Josh. Hey, Bear. Bear, place. Good boy. Sit. Good boy, Bear. Good boy. Bear, place. Bear, place. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good place. Good sit. Bear. Good boy. Good place. Good sit. Bear, place. Good boy. Good boy. Good place. Good sit. Good boy. Good place. Good sit. Bear, break. Good boy, Anton. Good boy. He is a good boy, Anton. Place. Good boy. Bear, sit. Very good boy. Sit. Good boy. Nice burp. That was gross. Good boy. Sit. Break. Break. Good boy. come. Bear, sit. Good boy. Good come, good sit. Good come, good sit. Bear, load up. Good boy. Good boy.